sweet. Come like that. She put sugar in it. Yes, seriously, I have to ask her if she put sugar in it. This is well sweet.
Me don't know what them a pre-bout. A keynote. Can't press me like remote. Them say them a clean, but I like that. Me a step up in a left, them I like that. Me a burn them out like newspaper. Put a fire upon a hater. After me, try so hard then. Want me feel, want me pop the gun, lose me feel. Them no want hear me mother drink sorry.
The best way on this? I become tasty. I think the more and I love taste because no one tell no lie. Same.
We have the roasted saltfish, you put saltfish like that.
Yeah, so what we have here now? What we have here?
Yam.
What kind of yam is this now?
Shred yellow yam. Oh, you're going to want the roast saltfish, backyard saltfish.
No, more man with butter.
More butter, piece of roast saltfish, so let's put up the sambal top in it. Eh?
Yeah?
Just put the sambal top in it.
Yeah, yeah. St. Elizabeth, so this is our first stop.
Melrose Hill.
Melrose Hill.
Yeah, for the roast ham and saltfish.
They get the roast here.
Butter and the drink.
So, let them know your name.
Oh, my name is Shelly.
Shelly.
Yes, at Melrose Ham Park.
Okay, so.
Where the roast ham and the saltfish.
Roast ham and salt. Were you out here every day?
Yes, except on a Saturday.
Except on a Saturday. So you've been here a long time now?
Yeah, man. I've been a vendor for 30 years on the road, from whole road to here.
So I kind of realized that the place paint.
Oh, you
know,
paint up, renovate?
Renovate up. And then build them billionaire phone?
Yeah, it was built by Alpian in the past days.
Okay. So just renovate it up back.
Yeah.
Can't help me.
Me and I paint me like, no.
Put one net up, put it on a 5 mm, my piece different.
That's what I'm doing.
Okay.
Just fold.
And 40. So let me see here. I could never fake him. Who have the rap man himself? This is why we call him rap man. Talk it through. Rap Meister. And we have Pinky the Ross. And we have Nick the Saint. Yeah. So this is a Seaview relative now. We are making our ways to St. Elizabeth to visit a good friend of ours. Friends, set up nice, man.
Yeah, man. I don't know. Then you have one river block where I say, happy people.
Enjoy it, man. I like how them set up around here, so. Relaxing, you know?
Relax, you know, tap on. You buy a piece of cake here.
Yeah. Yeah, yeah. I like how them set up right here, so it's very relaxing. Buy a piece of yam at the shop and throw it on the cold stove, you know, and roast it, you know.
Oh.
And we call it roast yam. So then I see him roast it roast.
That's the roast.
Alright. But you come like you don't want to do it at home.
Maybe another time, please.
And that's how they
That's
see.
the ready one.
The ready one. Yeah, man. I'm kind of like how you've been here for years and you continue being doing the same.
Continue doing my job. Don't you?
Yeah.
That's my work.
Yeah.
That's my job.
It's your job. So as we can say, maybe a generation can come and do the same.
That's it.
If them choose.
If them choose to do it.
If them choose.
Maybe they know I'm burning and I feel like me.
That's how it is. Can everybody like fireside?
Right.
It's not everybody like fireside.
Very not true.
So like you have busy times and quiet seasons.
Yes.
Same way.
Busy time, August, December, busy. That Bible like Easter come now, we are forward to it.
Yeah, like the Easter coming. Definitely. So yeah, you're going to see me again soon and pass by. So I definitely come stop again.
Yeah,
come
Shelly
know
Belly
you.
here.
Shelly Belly?
Yeah.
The artist Shelly Belly?
No, not
the dancer?
No, not really the dancer. The name, Shelly Belly.
Shelly Belly. So you know so we have a dancer
Yeah.
at Kingston named Shelly Belly.
Yeah, man, me know.
So that means you have to go bust the dance to you.
Oh, Lord, we can't dance. We can't go bust the dance. Maybe you have to go bust it for me.
Or the yam a dance already.
That's
So you said the yam done a dance already then?
Yeah.
Alright, so like the yam a dance in them belly. Can you see the
Shelly Belly for me.
Yeah, so we have a Shelly Belly. This is the Shelly Belly yam.
You don't have Shelly yam
See
already, you know.
This is the Shelly Belly roast yam. Yeah. So why you call it Shelly Belly roast yam?
No, honestly, really Shelly Belly roast.
I mean, just give it a name a while ago, you know. Shelly Belly roast yam.
Oh, because my name is Shelly.
Exactly. And you say Shelly Belly.
Yeah.
So right away now, I give you a name for your yam.
Yeah,
so come
Shelly.
over here and check out Shelly Belly roast yam. You know,
Right.
roast, make a roast saltfish, roast this, roast butter, sweet potato. You see me, so you can. Alright. So whenever you see her, say shelly belly.
Yeah, shelly belly.
The ratty. The rat man. So how was shelly belly roast yam?
Bad.
Alright, you see? The name I go on already.
Yeah.
But you say how was shelly belly roast yam?
Left this to the journey,
Left the journey.
Left on a journey, on a mission.
So when you say Nick the Saint, how was shelly belly roast yam? Alright. Alright, so this is a shelly yam. See she give you back then. I say it's for the journey, you know.
Yeah, man.
I think we're not even halfway yet, so we'll start the journey same here. So Shelly,
Yeah, no respect.
I'm gonna pay my bill before I leave. I don't forget. So until next time, right? Yeah, that look I didn't know. This was the first look. And you are start number 3, right?
Yes.
Number 3 from the blood.
Yeah.
So this was the original look.
Original.
This are 2, so 3 that they are.
Yeah, so right that's how you spell with the cheese. So yeah, Shelly tell it. Alright, blessed love, yeah?
Yeah, man, blessed love.
The roast yam pan yam pan yam pan yam. We say we're there up on this journey. So you know we finish with the yam. So now we're heading to something now, back on the journey. Back on the journey. So you know we go. I will say, we'll see how it goes.
Why you keeping me waiting? All I want, me and you. Been so long, been so long. Why you keeping me waiting? Lose trust me.
Four of them, please.
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 of them, please. Yeah. Thanks, man. Yes, sir. Fun. So I wash them the heart. Look at that way my dad them wash off. And be a blood and vessel. Yes. Thanks, mommy, thanks. Well cool, now one is cool. Hey, put sugar in it. Put sugar in it.
No sugar, no girl, nothing.
So it's sweet, so. But ask her to put sugar in it. Yo, this sweet, you know, man. Yeah, but not like that jelly, well sweet, come like that. Ask her to put sugar in it. Yes, yes, you have to ask her to put sugar in it. This is well sweet.
Blessed.
We're here.
We're here, right? Blessed love.
You know,
Good people.
Yeah.
Dream team.
one team. You know, Tara and Suki, big up every time. Blessings to Tara and Suki. Anyway, the same bloodline.
Oh, they're just painting.
Just pain.
Yeah. You did a good job, man.
So we have cozy yard space.
I said, man, am I gonna plant up some food?
Yes, I'll be a chef there, you know.
Chef?
See the chef there, Ratty.
Perfect.
The Rasta
I
chef, man.
have a bunch of fish, you know.
Yeah.
Room there, bathroom between and then
Alright. Just smile and it's rat face.
You know, I prepare the fish and the lobster after the freezer, not
Yeah. So the Rasta man are going with in the kitchen. So this is where we're staying. You know, we have to give thanks to Satnam. You know, so we're out here in St. Elizabeth. So these are a good friend of mine that I grew up in Seaview Garden. You know, we grew up together. You might see him from previous video. So we are giving my experience. You know, we share the blessings same way, and it's a man that's who I grew up with. Pinky. And if most of you remember the time when me that cook the seasoned rice. Remember the time the seasoned rice with the Asak man? This was the Rasta man where that cook that time when time Asak man. That was the video, Pinky. The lead up to the charity. Cause if you have to, yeah, the Asak man video. Because that's where Mikey Flex see me, you know, and say, yo, like when they get Asak man some of the food, I would buy him juice. So Mikey Flex to send me the 100 US. And I say, alright, man say, bless. Man say, do what I want to do. So I say, alright, I'm going to bless Jinjin. You know, and I so comes now we reach at Churchtown and bless Jinjin, Pinky.
Yeah,
you know.
Remember Jinjin?
Yeah, so that's where it started from. So people, this was Pinky, the Rasta man, that he that cook the food the day when time Asak man get it. You know. And this is where it is now. You know, Satnam invite you down and say, alright, then we can bring a friend. So I bring two of our friends and we come and we share the blessings. Because that's what we do. You know, Dream Team, we share the blessings. So, you know, this man was the man cooking that seasoned rice the day when Asak man get it. So this is the experience now we are share the blessings. So Rasta man, we have the kitchen here today.
Now, as you can see, you know. Yeah.
Yeah, so we have some white rice.
We have cooked down some fish in a coconut milk. We done fry them already, you can see.
Okay, so the fish are fried already.
Yeah, so I cook them, I go cook them in some coconut milk with some sweet honey sauce, you know?
Oh. So this is the villa where Satnam booked for us. You know, we have to give thanks. So this is the villa that Satnam booked for us to come pay my visit. And it's the Rasta man I prepare it. So this is the villa. You know, the TV. I'm sure I'm going to look inside. Look at city area. Give them a look in. Okay. So this is one of the rooms. Lead over to the place in the darkness, man. Rasta man. You have the place in the darkness already. Place for light up, you know. Yeah, so this is one of the rooms. I have another room over here, so. Alright, more light. More light. There's another room here with another 2 bed. And you know, there's a view with the outside where I walk in. AC kicking. Bathroom. Beach, yeah. So we had Treasure Beach. So in St. Elizabeth, Treasure. So the Rasta man, so this is what the Rasta man they are going to make the coconut sauce. Really, come like that funny too, the mirror being too tall. It looks like I'm so close. I think if you're in there right there, so imagine when me low man. I'm so tall already. Yeah.
To the bone, you know.
Yeah, season the bone. Alright. This is the coconut milk with Irish, you name it, carrot, name it, pop chow.
No pop chow, though, you know. No pop chow, Irish, carrot.
No, I'm sure, like I said, yeah, pop chow, because I want to win pop chow, Alright, blessed. So we have the pine man, we have the fruits, right? So we have Pioneer. How much for this, my general? 300. So you see now you can phone and order for Pine and deliver, right?
You see it?
And tell them so we are Treasure Beach. We in Treasure Beach, right?
Yeah, man.
Alright, at the Sunset Villa.
Just like
See there. So we know say we know key and jelly, anything. Is a phone call away?
yeah, man.
Tell them your number then.
33, 23, 22, 21.
Alright. Phone call away.
You see it?
Alright, then bless you,
Alright,
General. Give thanks. So see the Pine deliver. So Binky now drop 2 pine a night.
That can't work, it can't spoil it up.
Can't spoil. I know you put my pine in night, so cook out the good pine. For the good food. But if that works, see me, you know, there's like something on the side.
Nah, spoil.
Yeah. I know.
Me now for this, you know.
Can't drop the pine in night, man. We can drop a pine in night as like a style. You see me? We add flavor to it then.
Cover one over cover this, you know, making bubble faster.
Alright, but this can work too, so we have dropped the fish in and that.
We want so the Irish can cook
First.
because you know, you don't want the fish mash up. You see?
Yeah, so we have so we have some fried fish, so fry, we cut up some, you know, drop in so right now my belly long. Badam bam 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 bam. So yeah, so we're in Treasure Beach, St. Elizabeth at the Sunset Villa. You know, so
You put it in there already, Kino?
what that the pine?
Yeah.
I wanna put the pine in there, see you take it out. I'll put the bag. We have to go cut it.
Yeah, man, cut it up, make man taste all that, you must say, what is?
Yeah. Okay, cut it. So I go flavor you we are adding name pine flavor. So that one name pineapple fish. So that one you know we are the pineapple fish, right? So when you challenge my pineapple fish, right? Our sound viewers, yeah, we're there in the kitchen. Sorry, Wormy, we're not in the kitchen today cooking chicken. We're there cook pineapple with some swimmer roll. Pineapple, create that style. Wicked, so see the sauce bubble. I'm here cooking now in my mind, but it's still at work. You see me, I said the pineapple I add to it. Whoa. Whoa, so the pineapple now I get the pineapple flavor, the sauce, that horror. You smell it already? There you go, what you say? Talk truth. Talk the truth, Diana, just tell him. Kino will be things in the kitchen. Whoa, alright, so see that we make it go and simmer down. So when time food done already, know you see pan plate presentable. Some avocado upon it and some vegetable. Yeah, and put 2 pieces of carrot one side and some steamed callaloo on one side and some steamed pop chow, you know, yeah, and some beans, green beans. And that's all I go on the plate. Yeah, with some honey. Yeah, we will be back. Alright, Rasta, I'm so sorry about the kitchen. Watch out now. You see life in Jamaica. You hear that Kiri Acoustics fully endorsed that YouTube channel there. You hear that? Watch out now, no. Keep trying, keep moving. Someday we'll make it there. It's gonna be a better day. Gonna be a better end.